Okay, so 2012 528 F10. If you look in here, I think that may be somewhere. See on the left side of the chain. And I'm going to turn it on now. I use liquid moly. It's the oil I use. I'm going to turn it on to see it, how it sounds.
I was told if you do a test like this and move it to the left, you'll be able to see if it's loose or not. That's me pushing right now. I'm pushing it kind of hard. I don't want to push any harder. To be quite frank with you, on videos I've seen a lot looser chains. So when I would push it to the right or the left, it'd move at least half an inch left or right. This one's pretty tight. So if yours looks like this, you should be fine.
So I was told by a BMW technician in South Florida, Miami, I was told this is normal. I don't know what that shake is. It's looks like the serpentine. I'd love any feedback from you guys if you see anything abnormal, but this I'm told is normal. This is a normal sound, so if this is how it sounds, your motor should be okay. Okay, that last part, I don't know how that's supposed to sound. It sounded like a whirring noise, but that could be the turbo. I'm not 100% sure. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think.